Welcome back. The other day, two friends of mine, Jack and Stan Henderson, they asked me out and said they were going to show me how to catch crabs. I got all dressed up, had to turn around again and go back home. I thought we were going to a fucking nightclub. We ended up going fishing. Anyway, off we went. This is how they did it. Salute. Good to see you back. Okay, time to cook. Easy preparation this time. Cut up your crab and clean it. They're going to start with a good splash of olive oil. Drop in your chopped onion. Soften it up in the pan. Then goes in a teaspoon of curry powder. Yep, you heard it right, curry powder. Then add a splash of dry white wine. You're going to reduce that down and then add a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Right, in goes your tomatoes. And your chilies. And some chopped up parsley. Keep cooking your tomatoes till they soften up. I like to keep them covered. Yeah, check them out. Now if it begins to dry out, don't be scared to put in a glass of water. Once the tomatoes are soft, drop in the crab. You're going to cook that for about 10 to 12 minutes at least. Add a bit of salt. Wow, check it out. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, time to remove the crabs. Add the pasta. I like spaghetti with this dish. Okay, give it a splash of olive oil. Another sprinkle of parsley. Put the crabs back in. And bam, you're done. That was fantastic. Thanks to Jack and Sandon. Had a great day. These guys over at Henderson, I think it's hendersonseafood.com.au, put out a great product. You don't have to fuck around picking all the crab meat out of the shells. They've done it for you. Oh, and the merch, mate. Get one of these on you. Go to Seed and Bliss. Them there on Liverpool Street, across from Collette's. Seed and Bliss. They got them. Or go to Seed and Bliss online. You've got to print it up over there at Sanju Surf Company. Over there on Bel Air Drive. Go see Pakey. He's got a great surf shop. And does fantastic merch, mate. Let me know how you caught crab.
Finally, a show without my mum.
Where's your mum?
Please don't. You know what I said.
Don't swallow.